Today we are going to make cheese egg masala. This you can eat with any tiffin items. This can be a change for your children and elders from the routine food. Let's see how to make this recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
First, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan. With that, add 2 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and half teaspoon of fennel and roast it. Then add 3 medium-sized onions and 4 green chilli, all cut in small pieces and saute it. Once onion and green chilli saute to this level, add 6 cashew nuts. Mix it and add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half handful of coriander leaves. Mix it for a few seconds and turn off the stove. In the pan heat itself, it will saute well and you can feel the smell of coriander powder. Shift it to a plate to cool so that we can grind in a mixie.
Onions and green chilli cooled off nicely. Let's grind it.
I also have 2 medium-sized tomatoes to grind it separately. Let's add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it heats, add a few curry leaves. While the pan is still not too hot, add half tablespoon of chilli powder and mix it well. Then add ground onions and other ingredients and saute until the oil separates away.
Ammo, masala smells wonderful.
Yeah.
As we grind coriander powder, green chilli and coriander leaves together and use, it smells great.
Whenever you grind coriander leaves and use them for cooking, it's very aromatic.
Oil is separated, Amma.
Yes. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute.
Oil is separated nicely, Amma.
Now, add the ground tomatoes we have. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of salt and continue to saute until oil separates. Tomatoes sauteed well and oil separated. Now add 1 cup of water, which is 250 ml. Mix well. Close the lid and continue to cook for 2 minutes. Now open the lid, slowly mix it. Break eggs and add 1 by 1 without getting spread. I used 5 eggs, but you can use even 6 eggs. And let it cook for 10 minutes in low flame. It will taste delicious and look lovely. Now let's open and see. It looks lovely in rounds. Turn off the stove and sprinkle 3 cubes of grated cheese, which is approximately 5 tablespoons. Close the lid and leave for 1 minute. 1 minute passed. Let's open and see. Cheese has melted and settled nicely. Looks yummy and feel like eating it right away. Tasty cheese egg masala is ready. We are sure you will like it. Please try making it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.